In today's video, we're going to be looking at UFOs that were photographed and videoed in Thailand. Also, a possible UAP retrieval leaked video, and then some film footage of a UFO filmed from an airplane. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I got a couple of things to show to you tonight. So people are getting more photos of UFOs, some people say UAPs, around the world. And what you're looking at here, you want to look at that tallest building. There's a little dot there, and someone took this photo. Now you really can't see it, but they saw it when they were looking. Of course, photos, they look a little bit different in the photos than they do when you actually see it here. But if you zoom in on it, as I'm doing here, you guys can see it there. And we've seen these types of craft in different parts of the States. Now, why it's so low, I don't know. And I don't know this area in Thailand either. But if you take a look at this, you do see like a metallic sphere. So the sun is reflecting off of it, so it kind of throws out some CGI or possible CGI with this particular craft here. And then there's a video of this as well. And with this video, they're saying it's the same, but it looks a little bit different. But someone was in an airplane and they shot this video in Thailand too. So here's going to be the video here. Now, slowing this down, it does look a little bit different. This looks more somewhat of a saucer shaped in a way than it does maybe a ball or circle or sphere or anything like that. But it's still interesting that someone was able to catch this over in Thailand. So we are seeing a lot of this in different parts of the world. And I'm glad that someone was able to film this and put this out there, because we've seen similar things here in the States and in other parts of the world with this. But this doesn't look to be the same as that object you guys can see there. I can't make out too much of the shape. Once I start to kind of zoom in, that's what we get there. But it does look a little bit different than the first photo. But at least we have two different craft that were shot over in Thailand. And we're no stranger to seeing an object move like that. This is some video footage that was recorded that someone saw this object a long time ago. And you guys see the characteristics of this just moving. And I believe this was one of the video footages that someone took where this craft descended into the water, and I think it's separated into two. It was about 4 or 5 minutes worth of video footage, and I covered that in a video maybe several months ago. But you guys can see there the characteristics of the two craft. So not saying they're the same thing, but to see these two craft side by side and just flying out in public like they didn't care, like it was nothing to it, is pretty interesting and amazing. So you guys, put down in the comments what you guys think about this. I thought this was interesting and wanted to show this to you guys. It's some of the better footage that we're getting in 2025, I think, in my opinion. And now we're going to move over to this next one. So there's some more leaked footage of a UAP retrieval task force, etc., blah, blah, blah. And this is kind of a still image of what they captured there. And if you guys aren't familiar with that, a couple of weeks ago, News Nation had this Jake Barber on there, and he talked about he was part of, I think it was helicopter pilot, a UAP retrieval program, and he had this footage of an egg-shaped UFO, and this is kind of what we got there with that. I was 50-50 on this one too, and this video I'm about to show you is probably going to be no different. It's probably going to make you skeptical as well, but let me go ahead and let me show this to you. And that's basically the footage there. It seems like it's probably about a 4 or 5 second video. It's kind of looping. It seems kind of like this was fabricated. The only reason why I'm saying that is because of the way they're trying to make this scene with the screen kind of flashing and, you know, trying to make like it's an older video, but I at least wanted to show this to you guys. I don't know what's going on in the background down there or anything like that, but I wanted to at least show this to you guys. I think we'll see a lot more of this kind of popping up over the next several months, but put down in the comments what you guys think about this. And then this last video is going to be someone taking a photo or video of a UFO when they were flying in an airplane. And this one is pretty quick and it's pretty short. So there you guys go, trying to slow this down just a little bit. Of course, a bird is going to be ruled out completely. I don't think any bird would fly that quick, and swamp gas and everything. I do see some users that kind of comment and say swamp gas. I know they're joking about it, but it's kind of funny to see that out there. But this was pretty interesting. If I try to zoom in on it, it's just going to be bad and distorted. So knowing that a lot of these people see this stuff and they quickly get their phones out and then they record, and that's what we get there. So I wanted to show that to you guys as well. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about a lot of these photos and videos that are out here. And I have a couple more things that I have coming possibly this weekend if I can allocate some time to finish this video editing. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Put your comments down below and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.